This is the advice that only Vibe with Sonia will give you. Nobody else can give you this advice. And the advice is this. If you have a child that is at least 10 years of age or older than 10 years, then you certainly need to create a YouTube channel for that child. You need to create a channel for that child. Like, for crying out loud, are you not tired of paying bills alone? I'm not saying your children should start paying bills, right? But if the social media thing can actually work for you, it simply means it can work for your child. Now, let's take it from this plain example, right? Just imagine I start creating YouTube content from the age of 10 till this time. What do you think would have been the impact that I'll be putting out or pulling out on YouTube right now? I know a lot of persons will come for me in the comment section and be like, no, my child cannot do that. I'm already on this space. I should be able to provide for them. I should be able to look out for money for them. I should be able to put food on their table. I should be able to provide every single needs that they have. I'm not arguing with you. Hold up. I am not arguing with you, but this is an advice for you. It will still not be bad that you are still in charge in controlling whatsoever you're controlling on your child's channel, but that channel is already making money. Now, a lot of you people are finding it difficult to create content right now because you didn't start it like from the onset or from the beginning. But imagine if your 10 years old child, your 12 years old child, your 15 years old child start something from now. And before that child gets to secondary school, the child is already making money. Or before that child leaves primary school, the child is already making money. Don't you think it will be like a whole lot of burden lifted up, even if you want to stand in and be doing every single thing that you need to do? Now, if you check most of these Americans and UK white content creators, you find out that their children have their own channel. Their children are already making money from their channel. I think there is a particular video that I was watching, or I've been watching her. She have like over 9 kids now, and each of her children, they are making money from their platform. The parents have built their platform, but their children are also making money from their platform. Like, is it sounding bad at all? See, YouTube is what every single person should do. YouTube is what you should be looking out for to introduce to your kids. You understand? As far as you can be able to control what that child is doing on YouTube, you can literally open channel for your kids and then decide to be in charge of that channel without letting the kids do the upload by themselves. Probably you just want to be recording their daily activities, or you just want to be recording the kids, teaching other kids online. But just imagine you start now with that child. Do you think that that child will be having issues in creating his or her channel if that child so wish to in the future, now that you've already built a platform for that child? Imagine a child starting up a YouTube from age 10 to age 20. What do you think would have been the impact that child have made on YouTube? Is telling you that before that child will definitely get to the adult stage, of which a lot of us know the adult stage in a scam, that child will already be making cool cash from his or her own end. If you're still slagging this 2025 without opening a YouTube channel for your children, for your relatives, for your friends, I feel like you're missing out. I feel the need to tell you that you're missing out. YouTube should be what everybody can do. You understand? It's as simple, it's as easy, it's as sweet as that. And you know, the more you keep doing it, the more you keep falling in love with this job, the more you continue to wax strong on this particular job. You are still struggling. It is not still going to be bad that you are already building your child's channel. You don't need to be in a hurry to monetize that channel, but let's just be like slow and steady. Why do you think all of these content creators, all of these your big content creators will tell you, oh, subscribe to my child's channel, subscribe to my baby's channel, this is my baby's channel? Why do you think they're doing that? Do you think they're just doing that because they're doing it for fun? Do you think they're doing that because they just want to do that? A lot of person will be like, oh, I don't want my kids' face to be there. I hate it when I see my kids on social media. Family problem. Let the family juju not go and visit my children east, west, north, and south. Even if that child is not putting his or her face, they are literally, if anything want to happen, it will still happen. That is one thing you need to know. But take your time, process what I've been able to say, and then calculate how many children you have. 2 children, and imagine each of them having channels, and you are the one doing the upload, you are the one doing everything for them. Probably you just document what they are doing, maybe in 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and then you just keep uploading just to keep their page updated, just to keep their page going. Honestly, now you go enjoy and pass me. The time you're going to be enjoying that child and you want to send that child the money, and that child say, oh, mommy, don't worry, I can sort out this, or that child channel even picks up. That's what a lot of people do not know. Your child's channel can actually even pick up better than your own channel. And then the child is now saying, oh, this is my mom, follow my mom, subscribe to my mom channel. At the end of the day, trust me, you're going to be so happy that you are doing that. I have this family on YouTube as well. Is it Emmy and Editorial? The mom, she's a YouTuber. All the family members are YouTubers. Like, just imagine all family members, like everybody's making money from YouTube. If I want to give you, I simply want to give you. If you want to now bless anybody or you want to do anything for them, you just want to, but not because they are broke, not because they can't even make money, not because they can't afford to get some certain things for themselves. Guys, honestly, nobody face help. Your face no help me, my face no help you. Any family problem where the family won't visit, fine. But if it is in your family rules and regulation norms that you should not show your children face, or you should not even show your face on YouTube, I'm not debunking that, please. Feel free to do what you think it is best for you. Carry out your basic research to do what you know how to do best. Because in this generation, that Vibe Sonia typically knows what is called YouTube. I don't think any babies that are definitely going to be coming out of Vibe Sonia will definitely lack, because I will try all my possible best to ensure that that child stay in track. That child has an everlasting investment, and YouTube is one of the most sweetest investment you can do for anyone. YouTube is one of the most biggest gifts you can give to anyone, because the beautiful part is you continue to earn. You keep earning, like the earning no dey stop. You understand? In as much as you keep documenting and doing whatsoever you know how to do best, you keep getting results. You keep being happy that you are on this platform. So if you will let me advise you, I will advise you that try your possible best to create a channel for that child, create a channel for that family member, create a channel for that cousin, that niece, those people you think you love so much. This is one thing you should be able to preach to them. Do YouTube. Keep doing YouTube. Keep pushing YouTube. Keep creating YouTube. Anyways, if you do not know, my masterclass is coming up on the 7th of this month, which is Saturday to be precise, where I personally will be teaching you the simplest way to be able to navigate YouTube. A lot is going to be taught, a lot is going to be learned, and I believe you should be among those ones that will be booking your slots. All you need to do is to send us a mail, fetonja3195@gmail.com. The mail is actually going to be in my description box, and it is also in my bio. It is already linked in my bio. Now, the good part about this masterclass, and I feel that there is a need for you to join, is when you join, you're also going to have an opportunity to meet other content creators that might even be in your location or in your vicinity without you even knowing that these people are there. You're going to make friends that at the end of the day, if there's any need for you to, like, maybe you want to give up or you want anything, those friends can actually help you. I'm also going to teach you personally how to stream your plays for you to be able to achieve that aim of getting your 4,000 watch hour. 7th on this month is the code, and masterclass is as cheap as 5,000 naira. With 5,000 naira, less than $5, you can be able to access this to thank me later. If you want to still come for our one-on-one coaching, for those ones that will be like, I just want me and you, where I can go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, your channel is going to be successful. This is where Vibe with Sonia also come into display for you. With the flyer that we are going to be displaying pin, or with that same email, you can email us faith31995@gmail.com, and we're going to pick it up from there, where me and you will personally be able to audit your channel and make sure we give you the possible means, teach you other things that you do not know about YouTube, and trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do locally say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Create channel for that child.